everyone, today I wanted to share a slice of my life with you. It's a day filled with things that make me happy and help me feel grounded. We will begin with how I find my calm during a morning walk in the park, then shift gears to bring some pure joy to my home by celebrating my cat's first birthday. And of course, no day is complete without good food. So I will be showing you my work lunch prep and the absolute highlight, trying my hand at my grandmother's spicy beef spaghetti recipe. Come along for the journey. My day usually starts with a walk here in this beautiful greenery park. It is my quiet time, a moment to just breathe and feel the fresh air. Stepping in here, I feel an immediate sense of peace. The city sound just fade away and all I hear is the birds and the rustle of leaves. It really helped me clear my head and get ready for the day ahead. Alright, next up, it's a very special occasion today. Today is Evie's first birthday. I cannot believe it. She is just 1 year old. We are not throwing a huge party, but she definitely deserves a little celebration. So I got her a special dress, which she didn't like it, and the fountain drink. I'm also spending this extra time playing with her, bring me so much joy. She truly is a beloved part of my family. Reshmi was year old just 4 weeks ago, but now they are both not kitten anymore, they are cat. I still remember how tiny Evie was when she came to my home. After that, I got Reshmi for Evie. After all that fun, it's time to get practical. Recently, I haven't been feeling well, so I decided to make some healthy salads for my work lunch this week. It's really important to fuel my body with good food, especially when I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I'm prepping a few days worth of salad now so I can just grab and go in the morning. It saves so much time and helps me stay on track with my health goals. After a busy day, there is nothing quite like settling in with a warm cup of tea and diving into the wonderful world of my video editing. And now for the highlight of my day, making my grandmother's beef spaghetti. This isn't just any recipe, it's a dish filled with so much love and so many memories. My grandmother was such an amazing cook, and making this connect me right back to her. It's more than just food, it's a piece of our family history, a tradition. I'm trying my best to recreate that special touch she had. I made this for dinner tonight, and I'll be honest, it wasn't perfectly flawless, but that's okay. It definitely wasn't a star dish, but that wasn't really the point. The process of making it, feeling that connection to her, and just enjoying the moment. I truly enjoyed it. It brought back so many warm, happy memories. So that was my day, from the peaceful start in the park to celebrating my sweet cat, getting those healthy lunches ready, and finally creating a dish that holds so much meaning for me. It's days like this, filled with small joys and heartfelt connection, that truly make life special. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Bye.